Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to use the face puppets for your iClone 8 3D animations, the iAvatar or CC avatar. So start from now, I'm going to show you all these step by step. First, you have to press Q and make sure you already select your avatar. Then click here and click the face puppet. And here you can just select a puppet control set. Then choose the full face control. You can see the facial expressions that you may want. There are some profiles here. I want the smile. Then next I click record. And here you need to stand by, move your mouse cursor to somewhere that you feel comfortable and press the space button. Then now you can see you already can use the face puppet. And here you can just use your mouse to control. If you click your mouse, you can blink the eyes. It is really easy. That means if you already put some voice and also the viseme, then you can just use the face puppet to create the facial expressions just in this way. Now it's already done. You can just play back and check. Everything already recorded inside the keyframe, and it is ready for you to render. At this moment, you can just close the face puppet. It's already there. It already done the recording. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to use the face puppets for any of the 3D avatar in your iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!